5 Nerf blasters, 5 completely different battle styles. One list that has been updated for 2026 with the picks that are genuinely worth your money right now. From a bolt-action golden sniper that hits over 100 feet per second, to a fully automatic gel blaster that fires 10 rounds a second and leaves zero mess, and all the way up to the most terrifying hopper-fed machine in the rival lineup. Whether you are building your first collection or upgrading what you already have, this is the list. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1 with the one that genuinely changed how people think about Nerf. The Nerf Pro Gelfire Mythic. This is not a foam dart blaster. The Gelfire Mythic fires water-hydrated gel rounds. Tiny, super absorbent polymer projectiles that you soak in water for 3 to 4 hours before playing. They fire at high velocity and burst on impact, leaving almost no trace, no stain, no mess, no cleanup. Reviewers genuinely looked for leftover ammo on the grass after a full battle session and could not find it. The rounds are biodegradable and gone within minutes of landing. That changes the entire game. The Mythic fires in fully automatic mode at up to 10 rounds per second when you hold the trigger, which is genuinely insane. Or semi-automatic for more controlled shots. The 800-round quick swap hopper gives you extended fire time before reloading. The rechargeable 7.4-volt LiPo battery slides in and out easily and charges via USB-C. An extendable shoulder stock, removable barrel attachment, tactical rails, and trigger lock give you real customization options. Protective eyewear, compliant with ON-SEZ 87.1 and EN 166 standards, is included in the box. 10,000 rounds, dehydrated, ready to soak, also come included. Ages 14 and up. The design is striking, the build quality is solid, and the experience of firing this thing in a backyard battle is unlike any other Nerf blaster available. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. If you want the best unboxings and product tests every single day, subscribe to Unbox Daily. We drop new content every day. At number 2, the one for anyone who wants to feel like they are carrying a genuine sniper rifle onto the blasting field. The Nerf Ultra Pharaoh. The Ultra Pharaoh is a bolt-action, magazine-fed, single-fire blaster, and it is, by unanimous agreement, the best sniper-style blaster Nerf has ever produced in the Ultra lineup. The bolt-action priming mechanism is smooth and satisfying. Pull up and back, push forward, lower it into position, and fire. That whole sequence feels precisely engineered, not toy grade. The mechanism is gear-assisted, which means even young players do not have to wrestle with it. Velocity in real-world testing averaged 108 feet per second, genuinely punchy for a stock Nerf blaster. And a firing range of close to 100 feet is achievable under good conditions. The gold color scheme, premium gold accents on the body, and 10 special edition gold-colored Ultra darts included, makes this one of the most visually striking blasters in any Nerf lineup. An integrated targeting scope sits on top of the blaster along with 1 tactical rail. The stock includes clip storage for a second magazine. The 10-dart removable clip feeds Ultra darts, which feature an innovative flight tip, aerofin technology, and lightweight Ultra foam for the farthest flying dart Nerf makes. Games Radar and Blaster Hub both called the Pharaoh the best Ultra blaster released. It is the sniper rifle you want if you want the sniper rifle experience. That is linked 2 in the description. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily. New content every single day. At number 3, the one that proves you do not need batteries, motors, or gimmicks to have a great blaster. The Nerf Elite 2.0 Commander R D6. This is a spring-powered revolver-style blaster with a 6-dart rotating drum and no batteries required. Pull the slide back to prime it. Pull the trigger to fire. Clean, simple, reliable. The Commander R D6 fires at a consistent average of 70 feet per second, with a range of 45 to 80 feet depending on angle and conditions. Well within the Elite 2.0 standard. 12 Elite darts are included in the box. What makes the Commander such a strong pick in 2026 is everything around the performance. 3 tactical rails, 1 above the drum, 1 below, and 1 built into the bottom of the handle guard, plus barrel and stock. Attachment points give you genuine customization with accessories. The Slam Fire mode lets you hold the trigger and prime rapidly to unleash all 6 darts in quick succession when the pressure is on. The revolver drum is easy to see and easy to load. The blaster handles well, feels solid, and is not intimidating for younger players. It is the perfect sidearm, the perfect first blaster, and the perfect backup for anyone who has larger motorized blasters but wants something immediate and reliable on their hip. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it now. New blaster reviews every day on Unbox Daily. Subscribe and stay sharp. At number 4, the one that makes the opposing team immediately reconsider their life choices. The Nerf rival Nemesis MX-17-10K. The Nemesis is the most powerful and most feared hopper-fed blaster in the rival lineup. It holds 100 high-impact rounds in a large removable hopper that gravity feeds through an agitator mechanism, meaning you can drop rounds in from the top at any time without worrying about spring-loaded magazines. The fully automatic flywheel system fires round after round for as long as you hold the trigger. 100 rounds of continuous fire. In a rival battle, there is nothing that matches that sustained rate of fire. Rival rounds hit harder than elite darts. They are dense foam balls rather than dart shape. They travel fast and accurately, and getting hit by them is a noticeably different experience from standard Nerf, which is why this line is rated 14 and up. The Nemesis is big and it does not pretend otherwise. It is chunky at the front, heavy at around 5 pounds, and loud when firing. 6D batteries power it. The optional rechargeable battery pack is strongly recommended by reviewers as it reduces weight, saves money, and actually improves firing consistency. Available in red or blue for team-based battles. If you want to walk into a Nerf war carrying the single most intimidating piece of hardware available on Amazon, the Nemesis MX 17-10K is the one. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily. We test something new every single day. And closing the list at number 5 with the one that turns the backyard into a Fortnite lobby. The Nerf Fortnite TSR Super Soaker. This is the water blaster version of the iconic tactical shotgun from Fortnite Battle Royale. The same look, the same iconic blue color scheme from the game, built into a super soaker that holds 1 full liter of water. Pump action operation means you move the handle back and forth to blast opponents with wide, powerful waves of water rather than a narrow stream. No trigger to pull. Every pump fires another burst. The large tank takes you a long way before you need to refill. For Fortnite fans, this is an immediate win. It looks exactly like the in-game weapon in bringing it out at a pool party or summer backyard. Battle gets an instant reaction from anyone who plays. The build is solid for a super soaker. The pump mechanism is smooth and consistent, and the integrated shoulder stock plus iron sight above the muzzle add to the authenticity. Reviewers consistently called it a great summer buy and a perfect birthday gift. At the price point, it delivers strong value for the design and capacity. For ages 6 and up. That is link 5 in the description, the last link. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily right now. We unbox and test the best Amazon products every single day, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Number 1. Nerf Pro Gelfire Mythic. Best overall. Fully automatic gel blaster firing 10 rounds per second, with 0 cleanup, rechargeable battery, and 10,000 rounds included. Number 2. Nerf Ultra Pharaoh. Best sniper blaster. Bolt action, 108 EFPS velocity, gold premium design, integrated scope, and the best sniper experience in any Nerf lineup. Number 3. Nerf Elite 2.0. Commander RD6. Best all-around revolver, spring-powered, no batteries, 6-dart drum, slam fire mode, and 3 tactical rails for customization. Number 4. Nerf Rival Nemesis MX 17-10K. Best for serious battles, 100-round hopper, fully automatic flywheel, and the most intimidating blaster in the Rival lineup. Number 5. Nerf Fortnite TSR Super Soaker. Best summer pick, Fortnite tactical shotgun design, 1 liter capacity, powerful pump action soakage for backyard battles. All 5 links are in the description, numbered in exactly this order. Drop a comment below. Which one are you adding to your collection? I read every single one. I will catch you in the next one.